There are 7,000 people watching this stream and it's working flawlessly. Rebuffering events are below 0.5%.
Buffer.
Rebuffering events are below 0.5%. Rebuffering events are below 0.5%.
Yeah, even when his sobbing shakes the camera.
Sob.
Yeah, even when his sobbing shakes the camera. Is there any chance they haven't?
God damn it, Richard! In addition to stealing 2 of my 4-packs of Fage yogurt.
Yogurt.
In addition to stealing 2 of my 4-packs of Fage yogurt. Happened to walk off with the rest of our toilet paper so that... Speaking of shit that can't be wiped away and flushed.
Flush.
Speaking of shit that can't be wiped away and flushed. I don't suppose you have anything to say to me by way of an apology.
For
the embarrassing ordeal that you...
Embarrass.
For the embarrassing ordeal that you...
You lost your composure and ruined our entire case. I'll see you gentlemen at 3.
I shan't be attending out of contempt.
Contempt.
I shan't be attending out of contempt. Human people, not weasel animals.
It's a ferret.
Weasels.
Ferrets!
Corner lot, good square footage.
Footage.
Corner lot, good square footage.
Have literally gone up in smoke. You heard what Monahan said in court yesterday. Market forces and random events have conspired against me to...
Conspire.
Market forces and random events have conspired against me to... Functionally, all I've really achieved is running a flop house where guys have shat, jerked off, and paid me no rent.
Jerk.
Jerked off and paid me no rent.
We're up over 20,000 viewers.
Holy shit, really?
Yeah, BuzzFeed linked to us now.
Buzz.
Yeah, BuzzFeed linked to us now.
As far as he knows, it's an accident.
No one would believe that.
2 weeks ago, we accidentally erased...
Accidentally.
2 weeks ago, we accidentally erased...
Oh, Manny Pacquiao, the Filipino legislator.
No, boxer.
Boxer.
No, boxer.
Oh, fuck. We gotta scale up if we're gonna handle that kind of traffic.
I'm gonna compress the manifest.
Compress.
I'm gonna compress the manifest.
I'll kill the high spit rate to give us more headroom.
I've always wanted to be part of a suicide pact.
Pact.
I've always wanted to be part of the suicide pact.
Hey, Guilfoyle, we're up to 50,000 views. Whoa, it is like 500 degrees in here.
Whoa,
it is like 500 degrees in here.
They are a fascinating people.
Fascinate.
They are a fascinating people.
Hey guys,
On the day that I'm showing the place, are you serious?
I had to shorten up the cable run, so
shorten.
I had to shorten up the cable run, so this is the shortest distance to the garage. Had to do it.
It's magical.
Magical.
It's magical.
250 million.
Believe it or not, your algorithm is the only way to make nucleus work.
Algorithm.
Your algorithm is the only way to make nucleus work.
Louise, this isn't a great time. I'm entertaining, and I have some minor cosmetic repairs.
Cosmetic.
And I have some minor cosmetic repairs. All right, I'm gonna start compiling varnish to cash the manifest.
Cash.
To cash the manifest. All right, I'm gonna start compiling varnish to catch the manifest. Dinesh, you reduce the seeds in the P2P swarm, got it?
Swarm. Swarm.
Seeds in the P2P swarm, got it?
It says aim at the base of the fire. That's the servers. If you hit those servers, you
server, server,
if you hit those servers, you can do a verbal SWOT analysis. 299,000. Check is burning.
He's drinking his own urine. He's drinking his piss.
Urine. Urine.
He's drinking his own urine. He's drinking his piss.
Accordingly, on the count of wrongful solicitation, I find Richard Hendricks did indeed breach his contract with Hooley when he
breach, breach,
his contract with Hooley when he... This is an unenforceable contract. It is null and void. So effect...
void, void.
It is null and void. So effect of Pied Piper's underlying IP. That is my ruling, and per your arbitration agreement, it is...
arbitration, arbitration.
And per your arbitration agreement, it is...
Flaming wreckage of my Mercury Grand Marquis. All right. Today, you pulled me out of the flaming wreckage of my life and those...
wreckage, wreckage.
Today, you pulled me out of the flaming wreckage of my life and those...
The entire platform's obliterated, and no one will ever be able to recover it.
Yep. One click and poof.
Yep, yep.
Yep. One click and poof.
It's the absolute control over it. Frank Herbert. Dune.
Frank, Frank.
Frank Herbert. Dune.
Did not know lemon trees had thorns.
Wait. This one has like a bruise on it.
Bruise, bruise.
This one has like a bruise on it. Okay, there's no way I could have squirted this lemon in your eye on purpose from this distance. I'm not a fucking lemon sniper.
Sniper, sniper.
I'm not a fucking lemon sniper.
So what does that mean? Did you delete Pied Piper or not?
Nope.
Nope, nope.
Nope. All thanks to Dinesh's garbage code. The software you wrote to delete our software just shit the bed, no surprise.
Delete, delete.
The software you wrote to delete our software just shit the bed, no surprise.
Coded and it gave me chills.
Guilfoyle made a hole in the wall.
I did.
Look, it was frightening.
Frighten, frighten.
It was frightening.
Have an aura about you. An aura that, if carefully managed by someone with the
aura, aura.
Aura that, if carefully managed by someone with the necessary spiritual expertise, could be harnessed to great effect.
Harness, harness.
Be harnessed to great effect.
I think that they're about to become something really special.
Their core technology it's visionary.
Visionary, visionary.
Their core technology it's visionary. Instead of more pioneering applications. This was all rooted in human error, which is why I found it prudent to secure Henneman's shares, his...
Prudent, prudent.
Which is why I found it prudent to secure Henneman's shares, his... Which is why I found it prudent to secure Henneman's shares, his voting rights, and most critically, his board seats.
Critically, critically.
Voting rights and, most critically, his board seats.